Tiny. Yeah. Hi. Yeah, I brought you some milk. I know that you like that. Paw is looking a lot better. You ready, Tiny? Do you want me to give it to you in the little syringe? All right, open up. Good girl. Yay! A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. That's good times. That's good times. Oh, you're such a good girl. Boy, dang it, I keep forgetting. Good. You want some more? Oh, that looks okay. Yes, we are going to do some more then. Okay. Hi, little one. Look at that beautiful face.